Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage inspired country home interior decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage inspired country home interior decor is a warm, nostalgic style that blends old world charm with simple rural comfort. It looks like a home that has gently grown over time, filled with stories, memories, and handmade beauty rather than perfect modern finishes. How this really means. This style takes inspiration from past eras, 1920s to 1960s, and mixes it with country living. Think farmhouse simplicity plus vintage elegance. Nothing feels flashy, everything feels lived in, loved, and meaningful. Key characteristics: soft charming colors, uses cream, ivory, chess green, dusty blue, muted yellow, faded rose colors that feel sun-washed and calm. Vintage furniture with character, uses distressed wooden tables, painted cabinets, spindle-back chairs, old dressers reused as sideboards. Scratches and patina are celebrated, not hidden. Natural materials everywhere: wood, linen, cotton, iron, ceramic, wicker, and jute. The more natural, the better. Floral and classic patterns: small florals, checks, stripes, toile, lace, often mixed gently rather than matched perfectly. Antique or vintage accents: uses old clocks, enamelware, ceramic pitchers, brass candlesticks, glass jars, open baskets, framed botanical prints. Cozy layered textiles: uses crocheted throws, patchwork files, ruffled cushions, lace curtains. Softness is key. The feeling it creates is calm, nostalgic, comforting, romantic but practical. It feels like a quiet countryside morning, sunlight through lace curtains, a wooden table worn smooth by years of use, flowers in a simple jug. The soul of vintage inspired country decor. At its heart, this style is about honoring the past while living comfortably in the present. Nothing feels rushed, must protect, or overly styled. Every object looks like it has a story, whether it is truly old or simply feels old. It celebrates imperfection, handcrafted beauty, familiar, comforting spaces, emotional connection to home. How vintage and country blend together. Vintage influence brings antique shapes and silhouettes, patina ware and East finishes, old floral motifs and traditional craftsmanship. Country influence adds practical, hardworking furniture, simple layouts, natural textures, and earthy warmth. Together, they create a home that feels humble yet poetic. Furniture philosophy. Furniture is solid, wooden, and often painted, slightly worn or distressed. Functional first, decorative second. Common features and clothes. Farmhouse dining tables, freestanding kitchen cupboards, wooden ranges, iron or brass bed frames, open shelving instead of heavy cabinets. Nothing matches perfectly, and that is the magic. Color story, very important. This style avoids harsh contrast. Colors are soft, chalky, and faded, like they have been touched by time. Typical palette: cream, warm white or ivory, shades olive, eucalyptus green, dusty blue, lilac green, soft mustard, muted terracotta. Walls are often painted in warm neutrals to let winter's anthem shine. Textiles and softness. Textiles bring the soul. Linen or cotton contains that move with the breeze. Floral cushions mixed with stripes or checks. Crocheted, knitted, or patchwork blankets. Table genres in a state of heavy tablecloths. Layering is gentle, not cluttered. Decorative details that matter. Small details define this style more than big statements. Use clusters used for storage, enamel bowls on open shelves, jet flowers, or fresh garden blooms. Use print, handwritten notes, or botanical prints. Old books stacked casually. Decoration feels useful and sentimental, not showroom perfect. Lighting and atmosphere. Lighting should feel warm and soft. Use fabric or glass lampshades, vintage style pendant lights, natural daylight through shade curtains, candles and lanterns in the evening. The goal is a slow, comforting glow. How the home feels to live in. A vintage country homes feel peaceful, safe, familiar, gently romantic, deeply personal. It invites you to sit, stay, and breathe. The philosophy behind the style. Windows can take her flaws a quiet chill. Nothing should look new, loud, or temporary. It values longevity over trends, memory over perfection, comfort over luxury. A home in this style feels ground, not decorated. Is patina and imperfection. One of the most defining elements is patina, the soft wear that comes from time. Examples: faded paint on cabinets, slightly tipped ceramic edged, old darkened by years of touch, brush that has lost its shine. These are not flaws, they are emotional texture. If something's look too perfect, it doesn't belong. The collected over time look. This style avoids buying full matching sets. Instead, a table from one era, chairs from another, accessories gathered slowly. The home should feel like it has evolved through generations, even if it has not. Layout and space flow. Vintage country homes favor open, breathable spaces. Furniture pulled slightly away from walls. Clear walk-in paths, cozy corners like reading nook to corner window seat. Nothing feels crowded or stressed. Walls tell stories. Walls are never empty, but they are also never busy. Common wall elements, botanical or natural prints, old family style portraits, simple wooden frames, vintage mirrors with on edged. Plates or small shelves with everyday items. The walls whisper history rather than shout design. Kitchen, the heart of vintage country living. This style shines brightest in the kitchen. Keep feelings warm, functional, inviting. Details include open shelves with everyday dishes, clusters for rice, flour, or spices, wooden cutting boards always on display, enamelware, clay, or ceramic utensils. It feels like cooking happens often here, and that matters. Bedroom mode. Bedrooms feel soft, calm, and protective. Elements: iron or wooden beds, layered bedding and neutral tones, floral or embroidered pillowcases, bedside tables that don't match, lamps with fabric shades. The bedroom should feel like a gentle example. Seasonal living very important. Winter's country decor changes subtly with seasons. Spring use fresh flowers, and light fabrics. For summer, use airy linens or baskets. For autumn, use warm throws, muted colors. For winter, quilts, candles, and heavier textures. This keeps the home alive and responsive. Emotional results. Point and child. This style creates a home that feels rooted, safe, familiar, quietly beautiful, deeply human. It is not about impressing guests, it is about belonging. This style is about how home lives. Vintage Cottagecore is not focused on appearance alone. It is about daily rituals, morning light on a wooden table, a teacup left on an open shelf, curtains moving with the breeze, chairs pulled close for conversation. The home feels used, warm, and gently imperfect. Balance, rustic fast romantic. The magic lands in balance. Too rustic and it feels rough or unfinished. Too romantic and it becomes fragile or fushy. Vintage country sits in the middle. Is a solitude plus soft lace, iron hardware plus floral fabric, farm tools plus delicate ceramics. Every hard surface is softened by something gentle. How objects are chosen? Objects are chosen for meaning, not trend. Good choices. Items that look handmade, pieces that show wear. Objects tied to daily life like bowls, baskets, or linens. Avoid shiny plastics. Ultra modern shapes, trendy heavy decor with no story. If it feels temporary, it doesn't belong. The importance of scale and proportion. Furniture is usually low to medium height, comfortable, not slick, slightly oversized and full. Rooms feel grounded and calm, never sharp or churning. Sound, smell, and touch, often ignored but essential. This style appeals to the senses. Sound, quiet spaces, soft footsteps, or rugs, or oud. Next, smell, linen, dried herbs, flowers, oud, gentle cooking aromas. For touches, rough oud, soft cotton, cool ceramic, warm metal. The sensory layers make the home emotionally rich. How vintage culture differs from farmhouse treating. Vintage culture feels personal, uses real or realistic aching, avoids slogans and bold zigzag. Priorities comfort and soul. Trendy farmhouse often must product high contrast, like black and white, styled for photos, not life. Vintage culture is quieter and deeper. Emotional storytelling. Each room should tell a soft story. Who lives there? Who they value? How they spend time. Nothing feels staged for guests. Everything feels ready for living. When this style is done well, people don't say, nice decor. They say, your home feels so peaceful. I feel comfortable here. It reminds me of my grandmother's house. That is the success of vintage caretaker. Vintage inspired caretaker as a mindset. This style follows a quiet belief a home should support the soul, not impress the eye. That is why it favors calm over contrast, familiarity over novelty, depth over decoration. It is solo, grounded, and emotionally steady. The rhythm of the home. British country homes have a natural rhythm. Rooms flow gently into each other. Furniture placements invites conversation. Corners are purposeful, not empty. You will often see a chair angled toward a window, a table placed where light naturally falls, objects grouped in odd numbers, 3 or 5 for softness. Nothing feels rigged or forced. Emotional anchors in each room. Every room needs an emotional anchor. Kitchen, wooden table or open shelf. Living room, a comfortable sofa or old armchair. Bedroom, the bed frame or layered bedding. Entryway, a bench, hook rail or mirror. These anchors ground the space and hold the story. What not to overdo, even in a cozy style. Restraint matters. Avoid too many florals and tones. Excessive distressing, fake egging can feel cold. Over decorating shelves, turning every surface into a display. Empty space is part of the beauty. The quiet luxury of the style. Venus decor is quiet luxury. Nothing is flashy. Nothing is hurried. Everything feels intentional. It whispers instead of shouting. Why people fall in love with it? Because it offers emotional safety, a sense of belonging, slow living, a break from digital noise, a home that feels human. Venus decor is quietly intentional, nothing is random, even when it looks effortless. Every item answers all of these questions. Is it useful? Is it meaningful? Does it belong emotionally? If the answer is no to all three, it usually doesn't stay. The idea of visual rest. This style understands something very important. The eye needs rest to feel calm. That is why patterns are small, not bold. Colors repeat softly across rooms. Decor is grouped, not scattered. Walls blend between objects. Busy homes feel stressful. Vintage country homes feel gentle. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.